Riley.
Hi.
Is it your birthday?
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
You're 3 years old? Goodness.
3 years old.
Mwah. Oh, I gave you a birthday kiss, is that alright?
Yeah.
Can I have another birthday kiss?
Yeah.
Okay. Mwah. Oh, you are covered with chocolate. Because you had chocolate birthday pancakes for breakfast, didn't you?
Yeah.
You did. Oh, excellent. Excellent stuff. Now, can I kiss your face?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, the chocolate. Oh, yum, yum. Oh, that was delicious. Can I eat your hands too?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, that was a great hand. Can I have the other one? Oh, I'm so full of chocolate pancake goodness. And you know what? You've a little bit of chocolate left on your chin. Okay. Well, I have to go dry off now, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can I have a kiss first?
Okay.
Okay. And a hug? Okay. Oh. Do you want to hang me up?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Oh.
You say bye-bye, Mr. Washcloth?
Goodbye, Mr. Washcloth.